Good afternoon, kids. Welcome to your e-learning English class. Yesterday we have learned CVC word, sounds of I. Today we are going to learn sounds of O. Okay? Now take out your book English Primer and open page number 22. Open page number 22. On the above of the page, sounds of O is written. Now we are going to read the words. Okay? Now you say with me. K O D cot. G O D God. N O D nod. P O D pod. R O D rod. K O D cot. Cot. D O D dot. H O D hot. J O D jut. L O T lot. N O T not. P O T pot. R O T rot. K O P cop. H O P hop. M O P mop. P O P pop. T O P top. Now, like our previous class, today we will also practice some activity. K O D cot. We will write here K O D. G O D God. G O D God. N O D nod. N O D. Next, P O D pod. Next, K O D cot. D O D dot. H O D hot. J O D jut. Next, K O P cop. K O P cop. H O P hop. M O P mop. P O P pop. And T O P top. Okay, thank you for watching this.